Casio G-Shock GA-140GB-1A2DR men's watch. It is equipped with Japanese quartz movement in 5612-5607 caliber. Polymer case of round shape. Case dimensions are 51.2, 43.3 millimeters in diameter, and 16.9, 15.8 millimeters in thickness. The dial of this Casio watch is LCD, gold. Display type, analog digital. This timepiece has mineral glass. Polymer band. Band color, black. 200-meter water resistance. The following features are equipped: anti-magnetic, world time, chronograph, countdown timer, alarm, perpetual calendar, backlight, date, day, month, glowing hands.